Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Surface Pro 8 down completely and detaching the type cover. Do this now. Once removed, inspect the keyboard pins and tablet contacts for dirt, bend, or corrosion. Compressed air and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol remove grime without damaging contacts. After cleaning, reattach the type cover firmly until it snaps into place. Then perform a full cold boot. This eliminates simple physical contact issues and verifies whether the problem is connection-based before moving to software fixes. Once the connection is confirmed, focus on software. Open Device Manager and expand keyboards and USB controllers. Right-click HID and Surface devices to update drivers, or uninstall then reboot so Windows reinstalls them cleanly. Next, run Windows Update and specifically install Surface firmware and UEFI updates. These patches fix keyboard handshake issues. Run the Windows Keyboard Troubleshooter and check the Surface app for diagnostics. Make sure to restart after each change so firmware and driver layers reinitialize, and the keyboard can re-establish communication. Finish by isolating hardware. Reboot into Surface UEFI/BIOS and try the keyboard there. If it works, the issue is software. If not, it's hardware. Perform a soft reset, shutdown, hold volume up plus power to enter UEFI, then normal boot, and if necessary, back up and consider a factory reset only after all other attempts. One key troubleshooting tip: borrow or test with a known good type cover, or try your type cover on another surface to confirm whether the tablet or the keyboard hardware is at fault before pursuing repairs or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.